Hi, this is Pavlo from Nutrient, and I'm going to walk you through a demo that is interesting in two ways. First of all, it shows you how to customize the look and feel of a signature field, but then it also shows you how annotations and signature fields are linked together. So, if we want to customize how signature fields or any annotation on a document looks, we can basically take the pspdf-get.load functionality and pass in custom renderers. In this case, we're passing in a custom renderer for our annotations, and this our annotation renderer is just a function that we implemented above. This basically means that whenever there's an annotation on a document, use our custom annotation renderer to just pass it through a custom annotation renderer. Now, signature fields are a form of annotation. Now this is a bit when you're new using a document SDK like Nutrient, it's a bit complicated to understand how annotations and signature fields are linked. But if you break it down, annotations can be like there are multiple forms of annotations in a document. Signature fields are one type of annotation, and in particular, a signature field can be divided into two parts. One is the visible widget annotation, so that's the annotation part of the signature field that's visible on a document, and the other part is an invisible form field that is actually part of the signature field. So what we're doing in this demo here is whenever there's an annotation on the document, we're passing it to our annotation renderer. And this annotation renderer basically does a few checks, like is the annotation that was passed in a widget annotation, which a signature field is. A signature field is a widget annotation. Um, and then it checks and then it needs to do additional checks because a widget annotation can be a signature form field, but it can also be a regular form input field, like a text input, a date picker, or something else. So we're checking if it's a widget annotation, then we're taking the form field, which is also attached to the signature field, but is not visible, and checking if that is a signature form field. Now, while this may sound a bit complicated, what we're basically doing here is just verifying that, okay, we got an annotation to apply a custom renderer to, and we just need to make sure that is this a signature field? These checks can be customized, so you can modify them however you like. And then what we're basically doing, once we've found our signature field, we're basically just creating we're basically just creating a new author label, which is basically just a div and just attaching the name of the signer, which we're also taking from the signature field and just attaching to it. This approach can be used to modify the look and feel of a signature field in any way. You can add more divs, you can remove them, you can change colors. Just feel free to ping the solution engineering team at Nutrient, and we can walk you through how to apply this particular demo to your use case, how to modify it for your use case. And that's basically it. Thank you very much.